ready to transform your financial future while taking care of yourself? In this video, I'm sharing powerful tips on how to earn money by improving your mindset, building confidence, and practicing self-care. Stay tuned to discover how you can achieve financial success and personal growth simultaneously. Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply Beautiful. Today we are going to discuss a topic that combines self-improvement with practical advice. How to earn money while taking care of yourself. If you are looking to boost your income and improve your life, keep watching. Dreaming of becoming next billionaire? Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe Simply Beautiful and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and inspiration. The mindset of earning money. First, let's talk about mindset. Developing a positive and growth-oriented mindset is crucial for financial success. Believe in your ability to create opportunities and embrace challenges as learning experiences. Self-love and confidence. Self-love and confidence play a significant role in your financial journey. When you value yourself, you make better decisions and pursue opportunities that align with your worth. Continuous learning and skill development. Investing in yourself through continuous learning is key. Take courses, attend workshops, and read books that enhance your skills and knowledge. This not only boosts your earning potential but also your personal growth. Networking and building relationships. Networking is another crucial aspect. Build meaningful relationships with like-minded individuals and professionals in your field. These connections can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Taking care of your health. Your physical and mental health are the foundation of your success. Incorporate self-care routines that keep you energized, and focused. Exercise regularly. Eat healthy and ensure you get enough rest. Practical tips for earning money. Now, let's dive into some practical tips for earning money. Identify your skills and passions, and look for opportunities to monetize them. This could be through freelancing, starting a side business, or even creating content online. Managing your finances. Effective financial management is just as important as earning money. Create a budget, track your expenses, and save consistently. This ensures that you are not only earning but also growing your wealth. Remember, earning money and improving yourself go hand in hand. By adopting a growth mindset, valuing yourself, continuously learning, and taking care of your health, you will be well on your way to financial and personal success. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Simply Beautiful for more tips and inspiration. Have a fantastic day.